The program I am in is Architecture Project Management, and I chose it because I've found that I have a love for designing and building houses.
What students will learn here, hopefully to be creative and apply their creativity with the program. So we'll do some basic drafting services, we do some interior design services, and then learning how to put those together so the measurements work within the footprint of the house or design or whatever we're doing.
This program has helped me prepare for life after high school by encouraging me to meet other people and work with people who have different skill sets than I do. I think I'm good at designing exteriors of homes, while someone I'm working with is good at interiors, so we can compromise and be better together, working together than we were apart.
There's several careers that can go to. Some people just think, okay, architecture, well, I don't want to be an architect. Or project management, well, I like to do that, but what does that really mean? But there's a variety of things you can really apply this to. We've stretched it into interior design, for example. And with the drafting comes a whole nother field beyond architecture. There's a lot of branches that can come off of this, and we try to hit those. Here's the basic software we'll use, but be able to transition those skills to other areas as well.
I think it's important to get a head start, so I think I'm getting a few steps ahead of the people I would be meeting at Bowling Green in their architecture program.